Package time. I want to show you guys a magic trick. So, recently I've been thinking about how to light the sauna trailer. I think I want lights on the inside as well as the outside. And I decided that a barn light would fit really nicely on the outside. This would help bathers illuminate, what was in front of them should we be ever doing this at night. And so I got one of these on Amazon. It was like a $40 light. That's relatively cheap as far as barn lights are concerned. But my other issue is, how do I wire it? Saunas are wet and moist and hot, and so wiring is a little bit tricky in that you want to insulate everything as best as possible. So then it dawned on me that it's 2020 and we now have things that we never had before. So here's my magic trick. Here's a light bulb. I'm going to stick it in here, and it doesn't work because this isn't wired to anything, right? But check this out. If I touch these two together, boom, the light works. How am I doing that? Wires together, it works. Wires apart, it doesn't. Check it out. This light bulb right here, it's called an emergency light bulb. And in it, there is a battery. So when you screw this into any household fixture, the battery recharges, and so if the power ever goes out, your light just stay on for 3, 4, or 5 hours, something like that. So this is all to say that this barn lamp, all that it is really just a way to store my light bulb in a fancy hipster fashion. I'm just going to twist these wires together so the light is always on, and when I want to turn the light off, I just simply unscrew it a little bit. Turn it back on by screwing it in. And so this is my method for having an outdoor light for the sauna without actually doing any wiring.